After your separation, as parents, you may have an informal agreement or a court order setting out where the children live and time spent with each of you. This agreement or contact order may have stopped working, and the contact with your children is not happening. What are your options? First, try and calmly resolve matters together. If this isn't working, try mediation. The court will have expected you to have tried this. If you can't reach an agreement, you will need to go to court to issue an enforcement application. When faced with an enforcement application, the court will, amongst other things, consider the reasons why contact is not happening and whether a hearing might be needed. For example, is there a genuine risk to the child? Is the child sick? Or is there a change in circumstances like after-school clubs or a new job? Consider whether advice is required from CAFCASS. Consider whether an enforcement order is appropriate. Enforcing contact orders can be difficult. The court is unlikely to make an order for enforcement if the person in breach had a reasonable excuse. If the court decides a person has failed to comply with an order, it could make a more defined order. Reconsider the contact provision or living arrangements. Make a contact enforcement order requiring unpaid work. Issue a fine. Commit a parent to prison. This is a last resort. The child's welfare will be a material consideration, but not necessarily the court's paramount consideration. The terms of the order must be clear, ensuring there's no doubt as to the parties' obligations. This makes it clear if a term has been breached. The Family Law Company supports parents with all aspects of making an application to enforce a contact arrangement order.